Welcome to Implement Balanced Scorecards Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how the Balanced Scorecard framework translates organizational strategy into measurable objectives across four critical perspectives. Let us begin. We start with the four perspectives that form the foundation of every balanced scorecard and give us a complete view of organizational performance. The balanced scorecard ensures we look beyond financial results to measure the drivers of long-term success. The financial perspective answers the question, how do we look to our shareholders and stakeholders? The customer perspective focuses on how our customers experience and perceive the value we deliver. The internal process perspective identifies which business processes we must excel at to satisfy customers and stakeholders. Learning and growth is the foundation that enables improvement in all other perspectives. Now let us walk through the process of building a balanced scorecard that connects strategy to daily operations. Implementing a balanced scorecard follows a structured process that ensures alignment from strategy to execution. We begin by articulating clear strategic objectives that the scorecard will measure and drive. The strategy map shows cause and effect relationships between objectives across all four perspectives. We select key performance indicators that accurately reflect progress toward each strategic objective. Targets give each KPI a clear benchmark that tells us whether we are on track or falling behind. Cascading the scorecard ensures every team and individual understands how their work contributes to strategy. Selecting the right KPIs is critical. Here are examples of effective measures for each balanced scorecard perspective. Operating margin reveals how efficiently we convert revenue into profit after accounting for operating costs. NPS tells us whether our customers would recommend us, which is a leading indicator of growth. Cycle time measures how quickly we deliver value, directly impacting customer satisfaction and cost. Engaged employees drive innovation and performance across every other perspective of the scorecard. These key concepts are essential for designing and managing effective balanced scorecards. The strategy map is the heart of the BSC, showing how objectives in one perspective drive results in others. Cascading ensures that every level of the organization is working toward the same strategic priorities. Lead indicators give us early warning signals so we can take corrective action before results suffer. Lag indicators confirm whether our strategies are working, providing the evidence we need for accountability. These best practices help ensure our balanced scorecard implementation delivers lasting strategic value. Fewer objectives mean greater focus, ensuring that the scorecard highlights what truly matters most. Combining leading and lagging measures gives us both predictive insight and performance confirmation. Regular reviews keep the scorecard relevant and allow us to adapt to changing business conditions. When personal goals connect to the scorecard, every employee sees how their work contributes to strategy. Let us recap the essential insights for implementing balanced scorecards successfully. These four perspectives ensure we manage the full picture of organizational health, not just financial results. Understanding these relationships helps us invest in the right areas to drive the outcomes we want. Alignment from top to bottom transforms strategy from a document into daily action across the organization. A scorecard that evolves with the business remains a powerful management tool rather than a static report. If this preview gave you a clear roadmap, the full Udemy course provides complete templates, strategy mapping workshops, and real-world BSC case studies. Enroll today and translate your strategy into results. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Turn your strategy into measurable action.